Welcome back to our channel, Little Chefs. In today's video, we will be making Keema Mattar fry. Let's get started. The ingredients needed for this recipe are half cup oil, 1 lb ground beef, 2 small tomatoes chopped, 1 cup peas, 1 cup onion fried, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 small serrano peppers sliced, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 small cinnamon stick, 4 to 6 cloves, 6 to 8 whole peppers, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. In a pan, add half cup oil, Now add 6 to 8 whole black peppers, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 6 cloves. Now mix well. One lb ground beef, now fry well. Now cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now after letting it cook for 10 minutes, add 1 cup fried onions, two small serrano peppers, sliced, 2 small tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, now mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon tuba keema fry masala, now mix well. Now add 1 cup peas, and half cup water. Now mix well. Now cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes.